1 week. 1 week old na to. Yeah, malapit na magbubukas yung mata niya. But this one is still blind. Yeah, kitty pie. Here, there's the other one, guys. This one is the other one. Look at this, guys. Hold on. I will show you. Look. But this one is still closed the eyes. Ito yung pinakamalaki na kitten sa kanilang tatlo. So cute. Yeah. Yeah, give to mommy. Hey, mommy. Oh. Where's the other one? Here. Look. Oh. Yeah. Princess.